Ano nga ba ang unang pumapasok sa isip niyo pag sinabing Alaminos City? Siyempre, island hoppings na yan sa 100 Islands.
Dito sa Lucaport, dito may sakayan papuntang 100 Islands. Tara, samahan niyo kami, barkadang GMP. Hi! Right now, we're going to 100 Islands. Tara, di tayo. Kuya. Thank you.
Ang ganda. And then at the top of this hill, do you call this a hill?
Hello po, kuya.
Hi, ma'am.
Magkano po yung mga ganyan?
350 po, ma'am, sungki.
Anong fish po yan?
Hello, talakitok po, ma'am.
Ano tapos?
Samaran po.
Samaraan na
Hipon,
yung isa,
ma'am.
hipon. So ano mga ito?
Palimasag po, ma'am.
Crab. Saan yun din pinakuha doon din?
Hindi, ma'am, sa labas niya.
Sa labas din po? The shore ba? Or...
Bawal kasi dito, ma'am, sa loob po, ma'am.
Ah, bawal. Yummy fishes from Alaminos.
We find it very, very amazing. Yung mga views niya so far na nakaka-amaze.
The very reason we choose to go back here is the unique landscape of having many small islands. In fact, this kind of landscape exists many places in the world. Yes, I will certainly go back.
Thank you, Pangasinan.
So ngayon, pumunta tayo sa Quezon Island to eat and adventure. Oh. Let's go!
Sundown, summer breeze so soft and warm. Slow down, lay your head back and sit a while. Breathe out.
Nandito naman tayo sa one of the islands in 100 Islands, Quezon Island. We're gonna try the zipline, but of course, safety first, kaya nagsusot po kami ng safety gear. Ready na ba kayo? G?
Ang bigat!
More than enough. Keeps me above.
I am akyat na to this zipline and I'm excited. Can't wait to go to the zipline.
Going hard tends to burn out day long. Just relax into the flow. Allow yourself.
Nandito tayo with Kuya Eric para mag-break niya tayo ngayon kung paano sasakay sa zipline. Masakit na siya eh.
Oh my gosh, look at the view. Oh my God. This summer love, more than enough. Keeps me above, floating on the ground.
Super fun, exciting! I can feel the adrenaline rush. Ang ganda ng view. Gusto ko siya ulitin pero nalakot na ako. So okay na ako doon.
Dito sa Quezon Island, may kayak sila. Tara, try natin.
The water. Water. Still kind of low, so you can have fun and enjoy the adventure with the presence of many people here. Other tourists who are excited to explore explore Alaminos City and 100 Islands. I love the water. I could see how rocky it is.
So this time, we're going to try the banana boat!
Ay, may safety.
Are you guys ready? Yes! Kasama natin ang RNG family! Ready na ba kayo? Yes! Let's go! Masaya na ba ang RNG family? Meron din silang helmet diving where they can feed fishes underwater.
Habang bababa po kayo, makakaranas po kayo ng pagsakit sa tayo.
12 feet din ang lalim ng atin bababain para makita ang breathtaking view under the sea. At once na nakarating ka na sa baba, these wonderful sea creatures will welcome you like they were dancing under the sea. Sobrang ganda din ang corals and giant clams.
Feel me in the dark. My shadows, they follow you. Lost all of your dream. My shadows, they follow you.
And now we're going to try the famous cliff diving here in Marcos Island, 100 Islands, Alaminos City. And I'm kind of excited kasi first time ko siya. And then feeling ko matatakot ako, pero it's okay, I can feel the adrenaline. I don't know, try natin. Tara!
I'm kind of excited because it's my first time and nakakapagod mag-climb kasi kailangan mo i-climb itong island na to.
If you want to go cliff diving, don't forget to bring your life vest because it's strictly no life vest, no jumping. don't know how to swim, but I know how to survive.
Dito tayo ngayon sa loob ng KO. I really like the formations. So I'm gonna turn para makita niyo. When you visit here, make sure that you respect the habitats of the bats. Have bat nests. Ang nila, no? Simula pa lang yan ang ating pagtuklas sa mga hindi mabilang na kasiyahan dito sa Alaminos City. Tutok lang dito sa Kandamo, Pangasinan.
Pangasinan!